This could be the number one reason why so many people are bullish on Cardano, and it's definitely a reason why Dan Gambardello, a prominent Cardano influencer on YouTube, is extremely bullish. We've talked about it as well. Dan's a fantastic content creator. I listen to him all the time to get up to speed on what he thinks about Cardano, but we've talked about this important indicator before, and it's total value locked. Now, in this video, Dan outlines this, and we're going to kind of highlight this. He outlines where Ethereum was in terms of its total value locked ahead of its previous bull cycle that allowed Ethereum to absolutely explode. And when we look at this, the potential here for Cardano to do the same thing is pretty mind-boggling. All right, so this particular indicator could be the number one reason why you should be bullish on Cardano. Of course, we don't have crystal balls, right? We don't know exactly what's going to happen. But if you think crypto is going to go up from here and set new all-time highs, then Cardano probably will too, because historically it always has. It's followed the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum all the way to its previous all-time highs. It just did it back in 2021. Well, now Cardano's about a 12x away from its all-time high. But what could we see in the next cycle if we look at this total value locked measurement? Well, Gambardello noted that despite the falling prices, bearish sentiment and FUD spreading all around about ADA right now and other cryptos that were listed as securities or labeled that way, the protocol's TVL, or total value locked, is a prominent indicator of DeFi growth. We look at it all the time, and it has continued to rise throughout the bear market. He noted that the TVL has jumped to 600 million ADA, which in USD terms has topped $120 million. Now, what does this mean? Why should we care? Well, with the growth of the TVL comes trust. See, if you want to lock up your money in a protocol, it says, I trust this protocol for the long term, right? And we're in a bear market. So if this number is going up in a bear market, where should we expect it to go in a bull market? Even higher, right? He drew comparison between the stage at which Cardano sits right now and where Ethereum, ETH, was before the halving of 2020. Now, at the time, Ethereum TVL was pegged at around 400 million back in 2020, a figure that exploded from 400 million to 129 billion with a B in the next bull market, which came less than 2 years later. This parabolic growth trend was accompanied by a 22x growth in Ethereum's market cap from 25 billion to 568 billion. 22x in the market cap. Cardano today has a market cap just under $10 billion. 22x, $220 billion. It certainly can happen, right? Now, here's further his thesis. So in his thesis bolstering the potential for Cardano's growth, Gambardello said, while the blockchain founded by Hoskinson came late to the market, 2017, it was built to, quote, be a more secure, scalable, decentralized, and economical blockchain than Ethereum. The appraisal Gambardello is giving Cardano is visible in the products that Cardano is launching just today, this year. Of course, the Lace wallet remains one of the latest sensations in the Web3 world today, and it also launched both the Marlowe smart contract protocol and the Hydra head scalability tool on the mainnet. It continues to bring more and more developers into their ecosystem. So, aside from the things happening with the SEC, which I think are just meant to be big distractions, ADA's TVL is growing. And if it even follows anywhere remotely close the same path that happened with Ethereum, we're in store for some big, big gains in the next bull cycle. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.